Hello, lovely people. It's always a pleasure to come your way. Welcome to my channel and hope everyone is doing well by God's grace. So today I'm going to be sharing with you some of the breakfast I had growing up, okay? Some of the very cheap but delicious breakfast I enjoyed growing up, and this is just self-explanatory. I don't need to go through. You can just watch it and get what I'm doing, right? And I'm also going to be sharing with you some stories, okay, which you are going to find very useful for your life, very useful for your Christian life. Don't forget, this channel is basically a God and food, and I know I've neglected the God bit a bit, but we are coming back by the grace of God. So let's get into the video and then listen actually to my beautiful story. I hope you like it. So here I'm going to be using cracked wheat. In Ghana we just call it wheat, but here that's the name they call it, right? I'm going to be sharing where I buy some of these things, some of these ingredients with you very soon in a different video, okay, where I will unbox some things I've bought from this website. So this is the wheat, and I'm going to be soaking 2 cups overnight, okay, because it's very hard and it needs to soften. It takes quite some time for it to cook. It takes up to an hour or an hour and a half, depending on your heat and your saucepan and everything. It takes a long, and the quantity you are cooking. And also you don't soak it more than eight hours, okay? If you soak it more than 8 hours, it becomes very slimy, and you don't like that, okay? So one day an Italian man was returning home to Italy after living in America for a number of years. He was on a steamboat that was crossing the Atlantic Ocean from America to Europe, and everyone on board was looking for some sort of entertainment. One day, this Italian man came across a young boy who was juggling a couple of oranges on the deck of the ship. It happened that this Italian man was a professional juggler, and that was the job he had been doing in America for so many years. He approached the young boy and offered to juggle his oranges for him. Because he was so good at juggling, a little crowd gathered around him. The juggler became excited and took on more and more oranges. Each time he took one more orange, the crowd became more frenzied and cheered him on. The Italian juggler became even more excited and told the crowd, "I'm going to show you something." He excused himself from the crowd and went to his cabin to take something. When he came back on the deck, he showed the crowd what he had in his hand. Everyone gasped. They're like, it was a huge, valuable diamond belonging to this juggler. He had bought it with all the money and savings he had earned from his years of working in America. He told the crowd, "I'm going to juggle this diamond. It is my life savings." People told him not to do it, but he told them that his hands were very sure and that juggling was his profession. He threw the diamond with the other oranges and began juggling. The crowd was silent as they watched the Italian juggler play with his whole life's fortune. Up went the diamond, glistening and sparkling in the sunshine. Just when the diamond came down into the juggler's hand, the ship lurched and the diamond missed the juggler's hand and fell on the deck and bounced off the deck into the sea, to the disbelief of the entire crowd. This is what many of us are doing in our lives. We are juggling with our souls. We are playing around with the reality of eternity. Like the juggler, we do not realize how high the stakes are. It is our very lives at stake. Walking away from Jesus is walking away from your life. Walking away from Jesus Christ is to walk into the lake of fire. You cannot afford to perish in the lake of fire. Today must be the day of your salvation. You must not wait even 1 minute. You must not juggle with your very life. Amen. So our wheat water or our wheat porridge is ready. And yeah, as you can see, I'm serving it. I'm going to be serving with some evaporated milk or ideal milk. In Ghana, every milk is ideal milk if you don't know. Yeah. Before we used to measure it, but now we've moved past measuring. We pour it till our hearts fall inside our stomach. Just like okay. So please like, subscribe if you haven't, and give me a comment and share it if you like it, if you want others to know. Thank you so much for your support all the time, and I'll see you next time with another story, short recipe or easy simple recipe. Bye.